How to fix COD Vanguard Duhok Leicester error on PlayStation. 1. Check the server status of the Vanguard game. 2. Update the game. Like this. 3. Disable the auto-download feature on your console. 3.1 Turn off. Application update files on PlayStation 4. Restart your console. 3.2 Turn off the auto-download feature on your PlayStation 5. Reboot your console. 4. Link your Activision account. 5. Change MTU settings on your PlayStation console. 5.1 PS4, set 1500 to MTU settings. Path, settings network setup internet connection custom set manual to MTU settings enter 1500 in the blank. 5.2. PS5, use 1500 as well. Path, settings network setup internet connection. 6. Uninstall then reinstall Call of Duty Vanguard app.